Hey, it's Jack. Wednesday morning. The market, the Dow Jones is up. The NASDAQ is kind of flat, just down a few points. But NASDAQ was up about 200. And this is going into the Fed meeting, 2 o'clock. They're going to announce whether or not they're going to have a rate hike. I don't think they will. I get asked a lot, you think there's going to be a rate hike this time around? And I don't think so. I could be wrong. If we don't get a rate hike, we're probably going to get a real run in the market, maybe a short-term run, but just kind of a little pop. That's what I'm expecting. Now, talking about those IPOs, that ARM IPO, it hit the last 3 days, it's made a new low. Got down to 53, I think I saw, 54. So it was the same thing kind of with the CART IPO, right? The market makers, before the stock starts to trade, they get all the orders that are coded market on open, buy market on open. So that gives them room to raise the initial price, the opening price. And then from there, they put everybody in at the highest price they can. And then once everybody's bought that wanted to buy, then it falls back down. That played out real fast with CART. It took a little bit longer with ARM, but that's the way these IPOs are going to shake out. Now, one of the reasons that is because the underwriters don't care how the buyers of the IPO perform once it starts trading. All they care about is raising as much money as possible for the company going public. So the higher the price, they can price that IPO. That means the more money that the issuing company is going to get. So they really don't care how the performance is in the aftermarket, as they call it. They're really concerned is, can we get this company maximum amount of money and then let it trade? You know, it might take 6 months or a year to work its way out of this higher pricing valuation, but it's possible. Now, going forward, I'm still bullish on all the tech stuff, Microsoft, NVIDIA, AVGO, and everything like that. I just see it going higher. Now, most of the Dow stuff, I don't know if we're going to see a real huge pop in that, but tech is still going to lead the way going forward, right? And then again, be prepared, because next week I got a whole brand new thing. I think you're going to really love it, especially if you don't like losing and you like winning. You'll love what I got for you next week. Stay tuned.